Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make those tough purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat or your bank account. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Gorfinti 10-in-1 Steam Mop. You might want to grab some popcorn or a mop because it's about to get messy. Let's start with the price. The Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop has a higher price tag at $149. Reviewers appreciate its effectiveness and durability, often mentioning they've bought it multiple times over the years. Meanwhile, Gorfinti is a steal at $119, and users rave about its value for money, highlighting its versatility and ease of use. So if you want to save some cash and still get a great product, Gorfinti might be the Gore-fantastic choice. Next up, heat up time. The Shark claims steam appears in about 30 seconds, which is decent. However, Gorfinti takes the crown here with a blazing fast 20 seconds. Reviewers of Gorfinti love how quickly it heats up, making it a convenient option for those last-minute cleaning needs. You'll be steaming those floors before you can even finish your "I should probably clean" thought. Now let's talk multi-purpose. The Shark is a straightforward mop. Just steam and go. Reviewers appreciate the 3-level steam setting and its ability to clean various surfaces effectively. However, Gorfinti comes with a detachable handheld cleaner and 10 accessories. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Users love its versatility, mentioning it can clean everything from floors to upholstery. It practically screams, "I can clean everything." Both mops heat things up, but Gorfinti boasts a whopping 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam temperature. That's hotter than your last Tinder date. Reviewers rave about how effective Gorfinti is at tackling tough messes, while Shark users enjoy its reliable steam output. If your mop isn't hotter than your ex, what's the point? Usability is key. Shark's got a design that's simple enough for your grandma to use, and many reviewers appreciate its ease of storage. Gorfinti's flexible and lightweight design is like the yoga instructor of mops. Users love how easy it is to maneuver, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. It even has a detachable water tank for added convenience. And let's not forget about the cord length. Gorfinti has a 23-foot cord, which means you can clean your entire house without needing to do the plug and unplug dance. Reviewers appreciate this feature, as it allows for greater mobility. Shark's cord is shorter, which can be limiting according to some users. So if freedom of movement is your jam, Gorfinti is the way to go. In summary, both mops have their strengths. Shark is praised for its reliability and ease of use, making it a favorite for those who prefer a straightforward cleaning tool. On the other hand, Gorfinti stands out for its versatility and quick heating, making it a hit with users looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution. So folks, after weighing all the steamy details, here's the verdict. If you want a reliable, straightforward mop that gets the job done, go for the Shark. But if you want versatility, speed, and the ability to clean your entire life with one tool, Gorfinti is the way to go. And remember, whether you choose to Shark it or Gorfint it, the only thing that should be steamy is your cleaning routine, not your floors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.